TCZP DD630 4W for station rotary table drilling and tapping machine, with for processing positions on the rotary table, suitable for tapping different kinds of nuts. Automatic loading material and unloading finished product by robotic arms. Spindle travels 0 to 120 millimeters. Spindle slide table travels 0 to 180 millimeters. Spindle servo motor 1.3 kilowatts with speed 1500 RPM, and feed servo motor 0.75 kilowatt with speed 3000 RPM. Clamp fixture. Tap range from M4 to M8 with high accuracy, can automatically choose and separate defective parts. Productivity is 5 to 10 PCS per minute. Dimensions 1400 millimeters length, 1800 millimeters width, and 1900 millimeters height, weight 4000 kilograms.